Fine. So we have operators. So operators have a different rules. Operators in Java. What are those rules? See, we'll have slash. So what is the use of slash? For example, I'll just go with 10/2. So that gives me 5. Okay, in that case. But ideally, if I want to reduce a number, for example, if I'll have a number 1, 2, 3, and if I want to divide this by 10, so the number become 12. Now, if I want to divide 12 by 10, so the number become 2. If I'll divide 2 by 10, so the number becomes 0. That is in case of integer. Okay, and where we are going to use that? So for that purpose, what we can do, we can create a program to check the reverse. Okay, reverse of a number, right? How can we reverse of a number? Or we can say the sum of digit. So yes, we can go with the sum of digit. So how this work, how we can create this program? So ideally, what is the sum of digit? For example, I'll have a number 245. So if I want to perform this addition of this, so I'll just go with 245 mod 10. So see, that gives us mod gives us the last value, right? Slash is used to reduce the number. So if I'll go with slash, remember, see this divide. So that gives you the rest section and mod gives you the remainder. So in that case, the output is 5. Now we need to reduce the number. So we'll have 245 should be divided by 10. So that becomes 24. Okay. Next we'll have the rest thing, that is 24 mod 10. So that become 4 in that case. Right. Now we need to again reduce the number 24. Then 24 divided by 10. So that becomes 2. Oh, sorry. That becomes 2. Now, if we'll go with 2 mod 10, so what it gives us, that gives us the value, which is 2. And then if we'll go with 2 divided by 10, so that gives us the value, that is 0. So ideally, when number is 0, so yes, in that case, we can stop the working, right? So now we are going to implement this on Eclipse. So what I'll do, let me open Eclipse. I'll just go with the same project, new class, sum of digit. Okay. Then I'll just go click finish. All right. Now see, I'll have this thing. And now, first of all, see what we required. We required a number. So for input, we blindly go with a scanner. Okay. Scanner, new scanner, and then let me put system dot. Looks good. Okay. Now next, what we want, we need a number to be input from the user. Okay, so what I declare, let me maximize this. Integer number equals to scanner dot next end. See, but to enable prompt, we require this message sys out, enter your number. Okay, enter your number. Looks good. Now we got the number. Okay, now I'll go back to the notepad. What we'll have. See, we are going till what instant? See, till what condition? Till the condition when number is becomes 0. So see, for example, we'll have number is 0245. Like if number is this, so sum remains same. Okay, in that case, 245 sum is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 11. If you are going to add 0, that will make no impact, right? So if number is reaches to 0, so in that case, we'll not proceed further and we'll stop this system. Okay, so how we'll do this? So let me put while number is greater than 0. So we need to execute this until and unless number is greater than 0. So how we can implement this? So I declare integer remainder as 0, where see, I need something where I need to store this 5, 4, and 2, these value. And after that, I need something where I can add them like 5 plus 4 plus 2. So remainder integer result equals to 0. When we are going to perform any addition operation, so that should remains as a 0. Right. Now what I'll do, I'll have remainder equals to number mod 10 semicolon. Okay, so we'll have that. Now result equals to remainder. See what will be the remainder, and let me add result plus remainder. Now see, at first step, for example, let me copy this. Let me paste it there. So now we'll have, one second, we'll have, we declared res equals to 0, comma, rem equals to 0. We had declared result and remainder as 0. So now what should be the value at this step? Remainder equals to, what is the number? 245. So 245 mod 10 equals to 5. That gives us 5. And now what should be the value of result? Result equals to, see, remember programming works from right to left. So remember what is remainder? What is the value of remainder? Remainder has value 5 plus result has value 0. So it means the value become, at this point of time, value become 5. Right. So this is the 5 which I'll have. Now, looks good. So see, that works recursively. And at the end, we'll got the sub, but hold on. We need to reduce the number. So how we'll reduce the number? So number will be reduced by number divided by 10, semicolon. And at the outside the while loop, we can print sys out sum of digit equals to plus res. So let me run this code. Okay, number is 1, 2, 3. Sum is 6. Number is 3, 3, 4, 5. Sum is 15. If you'll go with any number like that is 0, 2, 4, 5, sum remains same. So this is about how we can implement the sum of